Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be telling you about the top 5 apps for Google TV. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Coming in at number 5 is Tubi. If you want free movies and TV shows, Tubi is definitely an app that you should have on your Google TV. Tubi offers a huge selection of movies, TV shows, live TV channels, news, and other content. And you don't need a monthly subscription to use it. The app is completely free, although you will see advertisements while watching it. One of the best things about Tubi is that you can simply open the app, find something you want to watch, and start streaming. So if you want more free entertainment on your Google TV, Tubi is a great app to have. Coming in at number 4 is Plex. Plex is one of the best apps you can install if you have movies, TV shows, or other media stored on your computer or hard drive. Plex can organize your personal media collection and give it an interface that looks similar to a streaming service. You can browse your movies, see artwork, and get descriptions and organize everything in one place. Plex also offers free movies, TV shows, live TV channels, and other content. So, even if you don't have your own media, there is still plenty to watch. If you have a large collection of movies and TV shows, Plex is definitely worth checking out. Coming in at number 3 is VLC. VLC is one of the most useful media players you can install on a Google TV. It can play many different video and audio file formats that other apps may not support. So, if you have video stored on a USB drive, a computer, or another device, VLC can be a very useful way to play them. It also gives you a simple interface with plenty of playback options. And unlike many other media players, VLC is completely free. If you regularly watch your own video files, VLC is an app you should definitely have installed. Coming in at number 2 is Spotify. If you use your Google TV for music, Spotify is an essential app. You can listen to millions of songs, albums, playlists, and podcasts directly on your television. And because Spotify works on Google TV, you don't need to keep your phone connected to your TV the entire time. You can simply open the app, choose your music, and control playback using your remote. You can even play music in the background while you're doing something else around the house. So, if you use Spotify, make sure you have the app installed on your Google TV. And at number 1 is the Downloader app. If you own an Android TV device, Downloader is one of the most useful apps you can have. It gives you a simple way to access websites and download files directly to your Google TV device. This can be especially useful when you need to download an app that isn't available directly in the Google TV Play Store. You can use it to access websites and download compatible files directly to your device. The app is simple, lightweight, and easy to use with a remote control. So, if you regularly customize your Google TV, Downloader is definitely an app worth having. And that's why it takes the number 1 spot on my list. And as I mentioned before, the Downloader app can install apps that aren't available in the regular Google TV Play Store. If you want to learn how to do that, watch this video right here.